Good morning, Year 5, and welcome to Week 2, Lesson 3 of our work on the animation Marshmallows. Today our Can I is, can I create action sequences in my writing? And for this lesson, you will need a pencil, a ruler, paper, and access to the internet. Today we'll be continuing to write the story from the boy's point of view. Can you remember what the third section of our story mountain was? The third section of our story mountain is the problem or dilemma. This is where we will need to explain what goes wrong for our main character, how they react, and how they feel. We will be writing our third paragraph today to introduce the main problem our character will face. A warm-up activity for you now, looking at noun-verb pairs. Today is all about action sequences. What I'd like you to do is come up with as many noun-verb pairs as you can, which would describe different elements of the animation. Noun-verb pairs consist of a noun followed by the verb. In this case, we have a noun-verb pair, smoke rising. Smoke is the noun, as it is the object. Rising is what the smoke is doing. This is the verb. Here we have another example. Fire crackling. The fire is the object, or noun. Crackling is what the fire is doing, therefore the action, or verb. When used together, they can be really effective. On your sheet, jot down as many noun-verb pairs as you can to describe different elements of the animation Marshmallows. When you are done, click play on the video to see what next. Like in our last session, you will need to watch the clip again to create a timeline. You can use the pictures to help you think about the different events that take place during the dilemma. Now it is time to watch the animation carefully. Try to use a timeline to capture the key events that take place. When you are finished, click play on the video to see if you were correct. The first thing that happens during the dilemma is that the boy runs out of marshmallows. The next thing that happens is that the creature becomes aggressive once again. After this, the creature chases the boy. And finally, the boy trips over and the creature catches up with him. Well done if you managed to get these on your timeline. Now it's time to begin to write the dilemma section in our story. Remember, this is where you need to explain what goes wrong for our main character, how they react, and how they feel. I am going to give you an example of what yours could look like. I dipped my hand into the bag and felt around for more marshmallows, the creature watching my every movement. To my surprise, the bag was completely empty. The creature had eaten the last of the marshmallows. I felt a sudden rush of panic come over me as I looked up at the mysterious creature towering above me, as tall as a double-decker bus. Within seconds, the creature had realized that the bag that I was holding was now empty. Suddenly, the creature's amber, beady eyes widened and its mouth opened, revealing rows of teeth, each as sharp as a dagger. Once again, I have tried to include lots of descriptive devices in my writing. For example, I have ensured that I have written my paragraph in first person by using words such as I and me. I have also used a simile to show that the creature is as tall as a double-decker bus. I have also used a time adverbial, within seconds. I've included this to show how quickly something has happened. Further down, I have used the words amber and beady to describe what the creature's eyes look like. This is an expanded noun phrase. I've also included another simile here, where I've described the creature revealing rows of teeth, each as sharp as a dagger. Now it is time to have a go at writing your third paragraph. Remember to use your success criteria, Story Mountain, and this video to support you with this task. Once you are finished, remember that you need to take a picture of your work and upload it to Class Dojo so I can give you some feedback on how well you've done. Bye for now, Year 5.